Number 1.
1982 Chevrolet C10, price $9,000. This pickup is a solid classic truck with 120,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 5.0L V8 OHV engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it runs and drives well. The truck comes with a clean green title and has spent the past 15 years primarily in the Tuttle, Amber, and Newcastle areas of Oklahoma. The current owner is the second to have it and used it almost exclusively as a fishing truck, mostly driving it between Tuttle and Amber. Despite its age and utility use, the interior has held up remarkably well. There are no stains, rips, or tears on the burgundy seats. The exterior is finished in a classic tan color, complementing the truck's vintage appeal. This Chevy C10 runs on gasoline and has been well cared for throughout its life. It's a great choice for someone looking for a dependable classic driver with local history and honest wear.
Number 2.
1984 Chevrolet C20, price $7,900. With only 93,000 miles on the odometer, it features a manual transmission and is finished in tan both inside and out. The vehicle has already been paid for and is ready for its next chapter. Under the hood is the dependable 292 Big 6 engine, paired with a low-gear 4-speed manual transmission, providing impressive torque and power. It runs and drives well, making it suitable either as a reliable work truck or a great candidate for restoration. Despite its age, this C20 remains mechanically strong and dependable, ready to be driven home without issue. It's also a factory air conditioning model. While the AC needs a recharge, the compressor is operational and turns on, which is a promising sign for a full restoration. Cosmetically, there is a dent in the passenger side bed rail caused by a previously installed in-bed camper.
Number 3.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000. It has approximately 167,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in a fresh blue paint job, and the interior features a red color scheme. The truck is in clean condition overall, with no rust present on the chassis or body, thanks in part to the recent repaint. Inside, the interior remains in great shape aside from a cracked dashboard, a common issue for models of this era. All the sensors have been replaced, and there are no check engine lights. The truck runs and drives well, proving to be very dependable and fully roadworthy. It has been driven on the highway numerous times without issue. Recently, the air conditioning compressor was replaced due to wear. While the AC system was functioning prior to the replacement, it now simply needs to be recharged.
Number 4.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,950, powered by a reliable 350 V8 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission. It has approximately 169,000 original miles on the odometer. Despite its age, this truck runs, drives, and shifts exceptionally well. The exterior is finished in its original blue paint, which has faded over time but now features a clear coat with a poppy patina effect that gives it a distinctive shine and vintage appeal. While the body is largely clean, there is a small rust hole about the size of a quarter on the driver's side cab corner, a minor blemish on an otherwise solid frame that has recently been undercoat for protection. Inside, the blue interior is in excellent condition, reflecting how well the truck has been cared for. It sits on 20-inch mag wheels wrapped in Toyo tires, and features a brand new lowering kit that gives it a sleek, custom stance without compromising drivability.
Number 5.
1991 Ford F250, price $4,500. It's powered by a strong-running 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a matching blue exterior and interior, giving it a classic and cohesive look. It comes from only its second owner, and the dashboard is still in mint condition, a rare find for a truck of this age. Recent upgrades include a brand new Flowmaster exhaust system and a Sony Bluetooth stereo for modern connectivity, though the original factory stereo is also included for those seeking an authentic restoration. This truck runs smoothly with no mechanical issues and holds a clean title, making it a solid candidate for a classic truck project or a dependable daily driver. There are a few minor flaws to note. The AC system still blows air but it's not cold, and there's a small oil leak that should be relatively easy to fix. Despite these, the truck drives without any issues.
Number 6.
1974 Chevrolet K20, price $7,500. It features a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, along with power steering and power brakes for ease of use. With just 40,000 miles on the odometer, the truck has spent nearly its entire life on a farm, having been purchased directly from the original owner. While it shows some signs of wear from years of honest work, making it a bit rough around the edges, the body is solid with very little rust and no history of major damage or repairs. The original paint and interior remain intact, highlighting its authenticity and unmodified condition. Recent updates include new tires, a replacement fuel tank sending unit, a remanufactured carburetor, and various other maintenance items. Overall, it's a dependable and great running example of a classic Chevrolet K20 that offers both vintage charm and functional reliability.
Number 7.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It sports a white exterior with a brown interior, upgraded with 2016 high country brown leather seats and center console, fitted using conversion brackets. The truck rides on 20-inch boss wheels, with a converted 5x4.75 lug pattern. Under the hood is a rebuilt 355 engine, with a Holley Sniper EFI system, Aeromotive fuel pump, and electric fans managed by Holley. It's paired with a rebuilt and upgraded 700 R4 transmission and a 2800 stall torque converter, controlled by a BM lockup controller. The suspension is fully redone with new lowering springs, shocks, Beltec drop spindles, upper/lower control arms, sway bar, and links. It also features drilled and slotted rotors with red performance calipers for better stopping power. Additional upgrades include an aftermarket radio, 4.10 rear gears with a locker, reman front fenders, rockers, cap corners, and a 600 carb included as a spare.
Number 8.
1996 Ford F250, price $3,500. It has approximately 188,000 miles on the odometer and features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission paired with a 351 gasoline engine. The truck is configured with rear-wheel drive and continues to perform exceptionally well, having recently been driven over 1,000 miles in the past month without any issues. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior sports a clean gray finish. The cabin front clip are in excellent condition, showing minimal signs of wear, and the body has very little rust aside from some light corrosion on the rear wheel wells of the bed, common for trucks of this era. The tires are like new, and the overall condition of the truck is very clean for its age. This F250 runs and shifts great, offering reliable performance even on longer trips. It's been driven on a 4-hour round-trip drive without skipping a beat.
Number 9.
1980 Chevrolet C10, price $5,000. It has traveled just 78,000 miles and remains in pretty good overall condition for its age. It features a brown exterior paired with a tan interior, and it runs and drives well. The truck is powered by a gasoline engine, believed to be a rebuilt 350 that's been bored out to a 355 for a bit of extra performance. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Like many trucks of this era, it does have some rust in the typical spots, but nothing unexpected. This is a one-owner vehicle prior to the current owner, and it still comes with the original 1980 title and the original sales receipt, making it a great piece of history for any classic truck enthusiast.
Number 10.
1993 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,500. This pickup is a strong and reliable diesel-powered truck that has covered 170,000 miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is finished in a clean white exterior with a matching gray interior. The truck runs and drives perfectly, making it well-suited for both work and everyday driving. Although it shows some cosmetic wear from sun exposure and has a few dents on the passenger side, the frame is completely free of rust, which is rare for a truck of this age. Overall, it's a dependable vehicle with solid performance and a durable build, ready for many more miles on the road.